What's up everyone, this is XRP price prediction and technical analysis for 2024, and I gotta tell you that XRP is looking really promising, really well on this chart, and I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. But first of all, I gotta tell you that ever since I started trading crypto in 2018, 2019, at the beginning of this chart actually, I remember I was trading XRP every few months, it would just explode. And I'm gonna tell you what I mean. Like here 200%, here you have like spikes every other few months, another one 200%. Then we had a bull market, of course, and then here again. So with that being said, it's really good to trade XRP. Not for me, it's not for holding really long term. I'm just using it just to trade. I buy low, I wait till this hits like 50 or 100% of profit, and then I just sell it into BTC, and I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna show you why. So here we see some kind of an uptrend, like here on the chart. As you can see here, we have some higher lows, right? Here was the last correction of BTC, so that doesn't really count because that was made by Bitcoin crash. But if Bitcoin is going sideways or going up, XRP is going like perfectly with this uptrend. And that was a really good timing for some purchases, of course. And now we're going sideways. Right here, as you can see, selling pressure, buying pressure, and we're like kept in the middle in between of those two levels, and we're just gonna decide if we're gonna go up or we're gonna go down. But if we're gonna go down, there's just gonna be a good zone for purchasing, and I see a really good purchasing zone right here, and another one will be right there. So anything between those two levels will be a great purchase for you. And my personal target price would be $1, anything between 70 cents and $1. And my purchasing zones will be anything between 40 cents all the way down to 30, 31, something like that. Because if we get to 30 cents, then I'm just gonna have 200% trade on the way up. But yeah, so that's it for XRP USDT. Let's just take a BTC chart, and this is getting really interesting. So this is my purchasing zone from the previous my previous trade a few years ago. But like, look guys, like, oh, we actually enter my order, like my old order box, and we're at the lowest levels in terms of BTC evaluation. So that's really good indicator to multiply your BTC, because every time we reach this zone, like here, and just like bring it a little bit down lower, look what happened. So you put your Bitcoin here, that's 15x on the way up. Here is just even more, guys. It's probably like 50x or something. But even if we reach this level here, it's really important level. There's a lot of wicks here. It's a really important support. And if let's say you own like 10 BTC. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes and purely educational. But if you put 1 BTC right here in this order box, and the price goes up back to this level right here, previous historical support resistance, then look, your 1 BTC will become 5 Bitcoins, and you just gotta take profits into BTC. You gotta buy XRP here and sell it into Bitcoin, because like 5 BTC will be worth 100k, 200k in the future. So it's still gonna double, triple, or quadruple, you know what I mean? So your value will raise with the raise of the value of Bitcoin. And yeah, so this is my trade idea for this. I love this chart. I love this chart, really. It's looking promising. It's looking really undervalued for XRP. And look how long we've been like falling down. And yeah, there something like that always happens with, and even if we have like a just small tiny correction of like 50%, let's say here, it's 50% still. So even if you put 1 BTC, you will have 1.5 BTC, and then just sell it, like take your profits. You don't have to wait for 5 BTC. You can just take your profits earlier, and that's really that's a great idea. And why is that so important here? Because if we look at Bitcoin dominance chart, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance chart. Look guys, like we've been growing for a long time, growing. So Bitcoin is actually more and more dominant on the market, and altcoins are undervalued, which means if this chart is going to reverse and going down and touch this support, for example, your XRP will grow, XRP or other altcoins. Okay, so the higher we are on this chart, the better to accumulate some altcoins, like XRP. So to sum up, you see this movement right here as we go all the way down in XRP against Bitcoin. You can clearly see it on the chart of Bitcoin dominance, because here we've been growing with Bitcoin dominance, and with XRP we've been going all the way down. Okay, so you have to use those charts, you have to use those indicators to evaluate your best position on the market. Okay, and that's really important to have all these indicators and like have this idea how the swings are going on the market. So lastly, I want to take a look at CoinGecko, and we're currently with XRP really high. We've been really high, like number 7. We've been in top 10. So XRP is a really strong project with $28 billion market cap. And you're asking me if it's gonna go to $1, is it possible? Yeah, like it would have to reach over $50 billion, and it would be still behind Solana. But if we go to $2, for example, and that would mean going over, that would mean passing Tether. So that would put us right now, if nothing changes on the market and just simply XRP is like going crazy, going to $2, that would put XRP on number 3. We would like flip Tether. So and I really expect the whole market to double or triple in the nearest future, or in a year or two. So that kind of movement would not be really impressive with XRP. So it's totally doable in my opinion. However, I believe it's really wise and important to take profits on the way up. And also what is really important is that not everything grows at the same time. So if you see XRP growing really rapidly, it means it's gonna grow by itself. It's not gonna, like other coins or Bitcoin and Ethereum will not grow with it. Okay, so if you see that, it's so wise to take profits into something that's not growing. So, and in that matter, that would be Bitcoin or Ethereum for me. And if you see something like this and Bitcoin if you see XRP growing rapidly, and if you see here on this Bitcoin dominance chart something like this, so we're going down to this support, take your profits into Bitcoin, because this is gonna reverse up and you can do the same movement again and just like, you know, profit, make profit, and that's gonna get you really far on this market. And I know what I'm talking about. I've been on this market for over 6 years and I've been doing it for a long time, and it works. You know, you have to take something undervalued and turn it into overvalued. With overvalued, you just take profits and put it to something undervalued. You know, this is just a pure game of dominances, and I'm gonna talk about it later. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button, subscribe to the channel. You can actually help me reach 1,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate it. I hope you like this analysis. I hope you found it interesting, maybe refreshing, maybe it's something different than you can hear on other channels. And yeah, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna cover XRP in the future. I can invite you to my Telegram channel for some more information. And again, if you have any questions, please leave the comment down below, and I talk to you tomorrow. See you.